Good morning, everybody. So, welcome to today's tutorial. Today, we're going to be talking about the parts of a manual machine. I know that some of this will be like the basic machine we get to use when we start out sewing, but if you start out with an industrial machine, still good and fine. But this is what we'll be using to make the illustration on learning the parts of a regular sewing machine. So we're going to be naming the parts, and then I'm also going to show you guys another drawing I made of the machine, so that it will be easier for you guys to look at it and then locate the parts. So on this part, this is the portion that holds the thread. So when you want to fix your thread, you just put it in here, and then this portion of the machine, this portion of the machine is what we call the thread tension spring. Now this is what decides how loose or how tight your thread will be. So you can see this knot on this end. You can either reduce or increase the tension it has on the thread. So this will also to some extent determine your stitch length and others. So this portion here is your thread regulator. It goes forward and it goes downward and upward as you roll your machine. And then this is where you insert your needle. This is the needle hole, the needle hole where you put in your needle. That's your needle bar. This is where you loosen and then you fix your needle and then you close it up again. Then over here we have our bobbin case. This is what holds the inner thread and bobbin that you will use in this compartment. So this is our bobbin case, and then this is what we call the slide plate. So you just close it up to cover the bobbin case area, and it also helps you hold your fabric. So that is that. And then on this end, this is what we call, this portion of the machine is what we call the sewing arm of the machine. Then this thread, usually there's a ready-made one that comes with the machine, but it doesn't last so long, so I made an alternative using elastic